Good morning and welcome to Full Circle Ozarks. Are you open for business?
Well, the shop is not totally complete yet. What do you need?
Well, as you can see, it's raining. And here's some wiper blades because this one's got a little piece of rubber out of it. And
Well, I guess I can open the shop just for some family business and get these wipers installed for her. Actually, we'll get these installed, and I'll probably pull my truck in here and the check engine light came on, and I'll read the codes and see what needs to happen on that also. So let me get these installed for you.
oh wait, but first I need to know the cost.
We'll discuss that later.
What do you think? Is it fixable?
I think you have to have a new car.
No, because payments come with new cars. I do remember a gentleman that went to get tires on his truck and came back with a new truck. You wouldn't know who that was, would you?
No, well, that's being cantankerous. Who was that?
I don't remember his name, but he wears an orange cap an awful lot.
Uh-oh.
I did.
Sweetheart,
What?
I hate to inform you, but that will not fit the other side, but it won't fit this side.
Yeah, there's the long one right there.
Blue, drop it. He's got it, Mom.
Do it, blue, blue. Hey, what do you got in your mouth? Here, drop it. Did you get that one on?
Yep, that one's done. Did I do it right?
We'll see. I'm not gonna pay you without you. Better pick those up, or Mr. Blue will. Will, true. Oh, is that it?
That's it.
This one looks like it's on upside down. Is that right? Okay, I gotta show them.
I'm gonna charge you extra.
Let me show you what was wrong. So, I do quite a bit of driving, and there was always a streak. And right here, see that? I don't know if you can
I think
hold
so,
it up.
yeah.
That little piece of rubber there, it was loose. Now it's completely loose. But anyway, that was what was causing.
That was causing you to be unhappy, wasn't it?
It was. I don't. Oh, it looks like we have another customer. This one, I'm afraid, is going to be a little unruly. Charging double. I'm sorry, the shop's not open.
The shop's up.
It's not open.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with Cotton Top.
I have a joke for you.
Okay.
What did the Atlantic Ocean say to the Pacific Ocean?
Let's roll.
No. It just waved. My daughter told me that this morning. Okay, what's wrong with you, truck, sir? And
No.
how can we help you?
Well, I think I'm gonna have to send Cotton Top back to the house.
Okay.
No more interruptions.
I wouldn't learn nothing.
I think she's got her giggle box turned upside down. Did you ever hear that phrase as you were growing up? You heard it a lot, didn't you?
Okay, I'm good now.
Okay, so my check engine light came on, and right before it came on, it told me to check the gas cap for a gas cap leak.
Fuel cap, yeah.
So anyway, we're going to start diagnosing that and see where that takes us, and probably read some codes on the truck, and kind of go from there.
Yeah.
So let me take you inside the cab of the truck, and I'll show you the dash panel, and so you'll be able to see what's happening there. Okay, as you can see, it says check fuel cap, and you see a little fuel indicator there indicating something's wrong, and then I have a check engine light right there. So we're going to hook up a device so we can read the actual codes and see what's going on with this. So stay tuned for that, and I'll get that device out and we'll get it hooked up. Okay, I picked up this automotive scan tool from Walmart. It's a HT300, and what this does, this plugs in under the dash, and then there's an application I could download and put on my iPhone, and it will communicate to this device here, and I can find out what that check engine light, why it came on, and do a little bit of further diagnosis here. So supposedly this device works on any vehicle 1996 and newer to be able to extract codes as well as reset codes. So we're going to be opening this, and we'll see what happens. Okay, as you can see there, I still have the check engine light, and I have the check fuel cap light still lit up. So we're going to read the codes. Okay, we're reading the check engine light codes now. I told it just to read all codes, so we'll see what it's going to do. I put some aftermarket mirrors on the truck when I was pulling a camper, so I anticipate that there will be some body controls that's going to have a code on it, which are okay. Yeah, they had one code, P0457. and I was expecting that one. Loose fuel cap. So that was kind of what I was expecting. Yeah. Evaporative emission system leak detected. Show details. Okay, I picked up a new fuel cap from O'Reilly's, and I've already got it attached here. So this is the brand new cap. So we're going to put that on. I do not think this is going to fix the issue, but what I am going to do, I'm going to go ahead and clear the engine codes now, and maybe drive it for a day and see if the light comes back on. It's a non-critical issue, so let me get back in the truck and we'll see if we can clear that code. Erase all codes. Yes. Okay, the back on diagnosing my Ram 1500. I had showed you where I'd reset the code after replacing the fuel cap. Wanted to drive it for a little bit and see if the indicator came off that my fuel cap needed to be checked again. But the engine light came back on, so I went ahead and replaced this part here. It's called the evaporator valve. It's at the top of the fuel tank. It's a 310-219 by Dorman. Give you a close-up of that. So anyway, I just got that replaced. Here's the old one that I just removed. You can normally do what they call a simple rattle test. These should not rattle when you shake them. As you can see, it rattles a lot. So anyway, this was definitely bad. So I'm going to go ahead and clear the check engine codes again, and I think that's going to fix my problem. So we'll be doing that here in just a moment. Yeah. So we've got that replaced. This right here is the component that I just replaced here. So, and that was on the 457. So I think that's going to take care of the problem. What we're going to do now is go back and let's see if we can't erase the codes. Erase all codes. Yes. Okay, that looks like that done it. I just turned the ignition switch off. We'll turn it back on, and we're going to scan again. Okay, as you can see, the check engine light is now off. I still have this indicator on here to check the fuel cap. So normally you have to drive it for a little bit after replacing that. So I'm going to go on a couple of little quick road trips, and we'll see if that's going to go off.